How to create a landing page in Lovable. In order to do that, let's head over and create a landing page for this particular site. So head over and click onto that site right there, and then they should be able to open it right here. If you don't have an account yet, you can just generate one using the chat box earlier. So into this part, we just need to ask Lovable to generate us a landing page. I have asked it right this. Just click on this arrow icon in order to send it. Then Lovable will think about it, and you should be able to see its think process. You can see in here its thinking process. You can see it will read and edit the source files that we have created. Now you can see it right here. It has now created this landing page. Overall, it only took 1 minute, but I had to post this process in order to speed up it. You can see that landing page has now been added, and here it is right here. The landing page, we have the dashboard as well as the get started option for this particular landing page that we can actually utilize under this part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.